Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Ree, and I'm a professional educator who's also a homeschooling mom. Now, on this channel, I focus on homeschooling, education in general, and personal care topics such as mental health, self care, and maintaining positive relationships with others. Now, if you find this content enjoyable, please consider subscribing today and joining our Blissful Connections family. We'd really love to have you. Now, today we will continue with our summer enrichment series where we get to focus on high schoolers and great ways to engage them academically this summer. Now that they're on a break from school, this gives us a great opportunity to expose them to other things that can prove beneficial. With all the great skills they learned this year, we want to take this time to expand upon that work with some enrichment of our own. This is ultimately a nice way to keep high schoolers active in the learning process in order to get the most out of their overall educational journey. So, today I'm sharing 5 awesome tips to keep your high school age kids academically engaged this summer. Now, if you have younger kids as well, please take a moment and check out the other videos in this series. Here we focus on elementary age kids and some fun ways to engage them this summer. And here we focus on middle school age kids and some fun ways to engage them as well. So please check these videos out and use as many tips as you need with your children this summer. I know we are planning to do the same. Now, on to today's video. Tip number one, encourage summer courses or workshops. Many community colleges and online platforms offer summer classes that can help your teen get ahead or explore new subjects. This is a great way to earn extra credits, improve their GPA, or delve into interests like creative writing, programming, mechanics, or art. These courses often have flexible schedules, making it easy to balance their time with summer fun. Encouraging high schoolers to participate in summer courses and workshops helps them stay academically engaged, explore new interests, and enhance their college applications. These programs provide valuable opportunities for personal growth, skill development, and networking with peers and professionals. They also allow students to bridge any learning gaps, making them better prepared for the upcoming school year. Overall, summer programs support academic achievement and help students build a well rounded and competitive profile for future endeavors. Tip number two, promote reading for pleasure and knowledge. Encourage your teen to read a variety of genres from fiction to nonfiction to expand their horizons. Suggest books that align with their interests or introduce them to new perspectives. Consider setting up a family or friends book club to make reading a more social and engaging activity. For one, this is great because book clubs foster a love for reading and improve literacy skills while encouraging critical thinking and meaningful discussions. Encouraging high schoolers to read for pleasure and knowledge during the summer fosters a love for learning, improves literacy skills, and expands their understanding of the world. Reading enhances critical thinking, creativity, and empathy while providing a productive and enjoyable way to spend free time. It also helps maintain academic skills, preparing students for the upcoming year. Overall, summer reading promotes intellectual growth and lifelong learning habits. Tip number three, get involved in volunteering or internships. These experiences can provide practical skills, work experience, and a sense of responsibility. Look for opportunities that align with their interests or future career aspirations. Volunteering also helps build a strong college application, showing commitment and community involvement. Encouraging high schoolers to get involved in volunteering or internships during the summer provides valuable real world experiences, enhances college applications, and builds essential skills such as teamwork, communication, and leadership. It helps students explore career interests, fosters a sense of community and empathy, and can lead to networking opportunities and future job prospects. Overall, these activities contribute to personal growth and better prepare students for future academic and professional endeavors. Tip number four, encourage creative projects and hobbies. Now, whether it's learning a musical instrument, photography, writing, or even starting a small business, creative projects can keep your teen engaged and motivated. These activities foster creativity, discipline, and can be incredibly fulfilling. Encouraging high schoolers to engage in creative projects and hobbies during the summer fosters self expression, boosts problem solving skills, and promotes mental well being. It helps them discover and develop new talents, enhances their ability to think creatively, and provides a productive outlet for stress. These activities can also improve focus and patience, enrich their personal growth, and add unique experiences to their college applications, making them well rounded individuals. And finally, tip number 5, set goals and plan for the future. Use the summer to research colleges, prepare for standardized tests, or work on college application essays. Setting academic and personal goals can help keep your team focused and motivated. Creating a summer plan with specific goals ensures they make the most of their time and that they stay on track for their future ambitions. Encouraging high schoolers to set goals and plan for the future during the summer helps them develop a clear sense of direction and purpose. It enhances their motivation, improves time management skills, and allows them to break down long term aspirations into achievable steps. This practice fosters self discipline and confidence, preparing them for academic and personal success. By setting and achieving goals, students can build a solid foundation for their future endeavors and make informed decisions about their educational and career paths. So, there you have it, 5 tips to keep your high schoolers academically engaged this summer. Remember, the key is to balance learning with relaxation and fun. Now, what strategies have you found most effective for keeping your high schooler academically engaged during the summer? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below so we can continue helping each other in this community. And if you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up, share the video with those you know this can help, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational advice and resources. Have a wonderful summer with your high schoolers, everyone. Take care.